Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add to bookmark all tabs all at once in Chrome and Edge web browser for computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly I will show you in the Chrome web browser, and after that I will show you in the Edge web browser. So firstly just open the Chrome web browser and firstly open say different tabs with different website links. So I've opened three different tabs with different website links just to give you an example. So in order to add all these tabs to the bookmark, what you need to do is on the right corner you can see here three dot icons. Just click on it. Now you can see here bookmarks and lists, and now under it you will see here bookmark all tabs. Just click on it. Now you can create a new folder or you can add to the already present folder. So I'll just add it to the bookmark bar, and you can give a new folder name, whatever folder name you want to get. So I'll just give it my choice and I'll click on save. Now I have selected the bookmark bar. So right now you can see one folder is being added with my choice. Now if I click on it, now you can see all the tabs has been added to this bookmark. So this is how you can do in your Chrome web browser. Now let's jump to Edge web browser. Now similarly just open all different tabs with different website link in your respective Edge web browser. And now in order to add all these tabs to the bookmark, what you need to do is just once again click on these three dot icons on the right side. And now here the name might be different, but the process will still remain the same. So here you can see a different name, favorites, which is almost equal to the bookmark. Just click on it. Now once again click on these three dot icons. Now here you will see here an option add open pages to favorites. Now just click on it. Now give your folder name. So I'll just give it my choice again and hit enter. Now you can see in the favorite bar it has appeared, and now if I click on this my choice folder on the favorite bar, all the tabs has been added. So by using this method you can easily add to bookmark all tabs all at once in Chrome and Edge web browser for computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.